In this tutorial, you'll learn how to submit an article through PageMajik's article submission portal. It's a simple, guided process that takes just minutes. First, click the submission link from your publisher's portal or email invitation. This takes you directly to the journal's article submission page. Click the Submit Articles button in the top right corner to begin. No login required. The submission process has 4 simple steps. 1. Read the guidelines. 2. Upload files. 3. Provide article details. 4. Review and submit. Let's walk through each one. Step 1. Read the submission guidelines. These instructions remain accessible throughout in this tab. Click Next at the bottom right to proceed. Step 2. Upload your files. Fill up the details on the left. You will see a red asterisk against mandatory fields. Select the article type. Notice how the article type is appended to the Submit Files For heading on the right. Enter your name and email information, and the ORCID if available. Next, upload your manuscript into the manuscript Dropbox. You can select from your file browser window or drag and drop a file from your computer into this space. You can see the progress of the upload. The system automatically classifies the uploaded Word file as main file. Notice also that the file count against submit files for review article changes to 1. Add any supporting files like images in the Other Files Dropbox. You can see the upload in progress. Progress bar color changes to green once the upload is complete. Watch as the system intelligently identifies the file type for every upload. The list of classifications is fully configurable. Administrators can define the list of file types and mark specific ones as mandatory. Mandatory file types will be indicated with a red asterisk in this case. There is just one mandatory file type, which is the cover letter. Upload the cover letter PDF to the Other Files Dropbox. Note that the system initially classifies it as art. If you click on Proceed Now, the system will send an alert about missing mandatory file. You can manually change the classification using the drop-down here. In this case, to cover letter. Click Proceed. Now, what actually happens in the background? When you click the Proceed button, the system performs several automated actions: virus scan, metadata extraction, technical validation. It validates everything: structure, word count, language, references. Image files are also validated against specifications. File indexing. This makes it searchable and discoverable. Filing. The system files it under the appropriate folder in the document management system. Folder and file permissions. These are automatically set. Workflow assignment is done automatically as well. You can see the progress of each major step, as shown here. Step 3. Provide article details. On the left is a manifest showing the files uploaded and a checklist of all metadata fields. On the right, you will see that automatically extracted data is already populated. The 2 panes are synchronized. Use the Next button to go from one screen to the next, or you can click this section on the left to navigate. After updating all mandatory information, click Proceed. A confirmation pop-up appears. Click on the OK button to proceed to Step 4, which is Review and Submit. This screen is divided into 2 panes. The top pane has 5 sections. The first shows a thumbnail image of the journal cover, the article type, the author name, and the manuscript ID. The second section, the manuscript audit section, displays key information about the title and the abstract. Sections 3 to 5 display a graphical representation of the images, tables and references in the manuscript, and authors and affiliation information, highlighting any missing elements for further follow-up. In the bottom pane, you will see a complete list of all uploaded files with their classifications. The system automatically audits images for resolution and size requirements. If issues are detected, you'll see a warning. You have 2 options: resubmit a corrected file, or use the Auto Fix feature to correct issues automatically. Once the correction is complete, you will see a green bar around the corrected image, and the updated art spec is populated in the Adaptations Applied column. To resubmit a file, Click the upload icon to select a file from your computer. You will see the upload progress in the Resubmit file window. You can use this icon to reorder the files on this display. The next step is to assemble your submission package. Click this tab to bring up a pop-up of the files uploaded. Use the slider to reorder the files and the click Generate to create the submission package. A preview pane opens. Check the preview and then confirm the submission. This takes you back to the Review and Submit pane. If you choose to submit with warnings, the system displays an alert to confirm your decision. You can choose to override the warning by clicking Submit anyway. The system redirects you to your dashboard, where you can track your submission status. You will receive an acknowledgement email with a link to your dashboard, which you can access at any time. And that's it. Your article has been submitted successfully.